Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS R50, a compact and versatile mirrorless camera designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced features, impressive image quality, and user-friendly design, the EOS R50 is an excellent choice for a wide range of photography and video applications. Let's explore what makes this camera stand out. Design and build quality. The Canon EOS R50 boasts a sleek and lightweight design, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. The camera's compact body is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability while maintaining portability. The ergonomically designed grip provides a comfortable hold even during extended shooting sessions. The camera features a 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which allows for flexible composition and easy navigation of settings. This is particularly useful for vloggers and content creators who need to shoot from various angles. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, offers a clear and bright display, ensuring accurate framing and focusing. Image quality. At the heart of the EOS R50 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digic X image processor. This combination delivers stunning image quality with rich details, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range. The camera's native ISO range of 100 to 25600, expandable to 511200, allows for great performance in various lighting conditions. The EOS R50 supports 4K UHD video recording at up to 30 FPS and Full HD at up to 120 fps, providing high-quality footage with smooth motion. The dual-pixel CMOS AF system ensures fast and accurate autofocus, with 4,779 selectable AF points covering nearly the entire frame. This makes it easier to track moving subjects and achieve sharp focus. Performance. The Canon EOS R50 excels in performance with a continuous shooting speed of up to 12 FPS with the electronic shutter, making it suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects. The camera's advanced autofocus system includes eye detection and subject tracking, ensuring sharp focus even in challenging situations. The camera also features in-body image stabilization, EBIS, which works in conjunction with optical stabilization in compatible lenses to reduce camera shake and deliver steady shots. This is particularly beneficial for handheld shooting and low-light photography. Usability and controls. The EOS R50 is designed with usability in mind, offering intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface. The touchscreen LCD allows for easy access to settings and menu navigation, while the customizable buttons and dials provide quick adjustments to key functions. The camera's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and operate, whether you're shooting stills or video. Connectivity and features. The Canon EOS R50 offers a range of connectivity options to enhance your workflow. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. The camera also features USB-C for fast data transfer and charging, as well as a micro HDMI output for external monitoring and recording. Additional features include a built-in pop-up flash for low-light shooting, a microphone input for high-quality audio recording, and support for Canon's RF and EFM lenses, providing versatility in your lens choices. Battery life. Battery life is an important consideration for any camera, and the EOS R50 performs well in this regard. The camera uses the LPE17 battery, which provides a respectable number of shots per charge. For extended shooting sessions, carrying extra batteries or using an external power source is recommended. Price and value. The Canon EOS R50 is positioned as an affordable mirrorless camera with advanced features, making it a great value for both enthusiasts and professionals. Its exceptional image quality, versatile functionality, and user-friendly design make it a valuable tool for a wide range of photography and video applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R50 is an outstanding mirrorless camera that delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Its impressive image quality, advanced autofocus system, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for photographers and content creators looking to elevate their work. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.